Hi you guys, Courtney here. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to me. If this is your first time with me, thank you so much for clicking on my video. I do appreciate it. If this is your first time, please give me a thumbs up, tap subscribe, hit ringing you bell, and I will support you back as always. If this is not your first time with me, then hey you guys, what's up? What's up? What's up? So we are going to be doing a full look, basically a review swatches and everything in between on this palette by UCANBE. It's called Living Coral. It is beautiful. You guys have to watch this. Yeah, so if you guys can see my look here, if you want to know how I got it, you know the drill. Just keep on watching and I will be right back. I'm gonna go a little bit backwards this time. So I'm actually gonna be doing a look with this palette first. This is the shades. This is what they look like. I have done some swatches with this just to kind of see what kind of look I wanted to go with. So I am basically going to jump straight into a look here, and yeah, I'll show you guys what I'm doing as I'm doing it, like always, and we're gonna go ahead and start a look with this beautiful palette. So here we go. I'm gonna see if I can throw on some really pretty liner and some mascara. I'm gonna run some lighter color on the inner rim on the bottom. I'm gonna do just some black on top, and it's gonna be very simple and sweet, and then I'll be right back with you guys. So I am back, and this is the look that I came up with. I actually love this palette. This right here, I don't know if this is gonna show up for you guys or not, but this is actually a pressed glitter, and it looks like this. Let's see if I can get it to show up for you guys. Okay, it looks like this. It's got this really pretty sheen to it. It's kind of like a, I don't know, it's got like this corally background to it, which obviously, I mean, it's a coral palette, but that's what that is, and it's so pretty. I did decide to put that on the inner corners because I thought it would be very interesting to see what it would do on the inner corner of the eye. But I think it came out very beautiful, so I'm going to show you guys the look close up. So yeah, that's what I came up with. So, and that color is called Lifted, the one I put on the inner corners for inner corner highlight. Just kind of popped it in there, and I think it gives it like a really good pop of color. Again, this is the Living Coral palette by UCANBE, and I'm gonna do some swatches here for you. So up top here we have the color Vertigo, we have Tea Party, so I'll swatch those really quick. So we'll swatch those up here. So that Tea Party color is gorgeous. That's the second one. That's this one, and then that's the Vertigo color. So the Vertigo color is basically like a transition shade, but more so, you know, for like a lay down shade on top of a base is what I would use it for. Next we have Potter Clay and Tropic. You guys know I cannot see without my glasses, so it's really hard for me to. So that's Potted Clay, and then this is Tropic. I did use this color on my look. Very pretty cool tone brown. I really love that. And then the last one up top here is called Desert Sand. It's right here, and this is a very dark matte color. It is right here. So that is the Desert Sand. That's the whole top row, excluding the glitter, which is over here. Down right, and we have Sicily. Sicily's got a little bit of a green texture to it, or green tint to it. So I'm gonna do down right here. And then Sicily, like I said, it's kind of like an army green right there. So that's very pretty. And then we have this beautiful coral color right here. And I don't know why they named this coral, but it does have this shift to it. So it's very pretty. This is coral and this is saffron. So we'll do coral first. This is bringing me back to like magic spell vibes right now. So that other palette, from the other palette, there's that coral color. It is actually very gorgeous. And then the saffron color also is bringing me back to that magic spell palette as well. So here's this bright saffron color, and that formula is quite different. Then next to that we have Fairy, which is this sunflower color, and then we have Hunting, which is a really pretty orange base, which I did use that in my look. So I'll do Fairy right here. Very, very pretty goldenrod matte. And then Hunting right here. It's a very, very beautiful coral, like dark coral color. So that's the palette so far. Now once you get to the bottom, these colors intrigue me so much. They're so gorgeous. You're gonna see the real coral come to life, because when I swatched these the first time, I was like, okay, this is the coral vibe here. So this color right here is called Wake, and this is called Youth, and here is the Wake color. Look at that shift on that. It is so pretty. I hope you guys can see that. And then this is the Youth color. I did use this in my look. It is somewhat of a clear, like a clear glitter. Like it's not opaque like this glitter is. It's super opaque. But this is also a glitter. It's very pretty. And then we have next to it another one, a formula just like it, which I use, is called Life. And then we have Gleam. So here's Life. And you can feel how nice and buttery soft these are. So there's Life. And then we have Cream. Sorry, not Gleam, Cream. I can't read. Which is gorgeous. So this starts the bottom row. So this is where you really start to see those corally shades come in. And then we have Brown Sugar and Summer, and I did use both of these colors in my look. So there's the Brown Sugar, and the Summer is just a basic, like whitish nude, but it does have a little bit, a tinge of color to it. So yeah, this is our palette. It is so pretty. It is very, very, very pretty. I think that it came out beautiful. I know it's not like me to do the look before I do the swatches and all that, but I don't know. I was just so drawn to doing a look with this palette in a hurry, and I wanted to go ahead and do it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Tell me what you think about this palette. Tell me what you think about the coral colors. What do you think about the colors and this glittery shade like in the corner? It has all these different shapes. UCANBE has had a palette come out it's been nothing but this pressed glitter, and I haven't done a video on it yet. So if you guys want to see that, let me know in the comments down below. And other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. As always, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, tap subscribe, hit ring ding bell, and I will support you back as always. I will see you guys on my next video, and as always, I love you, but I will not argue with you. Bye.